Hi guys, welcome to today's video. OMG, the amount of flaking that I have right here is disgusting. Sorry, I had my hair slicked back into a bun just before this video and I just took it down and that is crazy. I used a product that usually doesn't flake, but maybe I used a lot. I don't know. I was trying to slick my hair back. Anyways, the amount of buildup that I get on my scalp lately, I've always gotten a lot of buildup, but the amount that I've been getting lately is crazy. So I don't know, my scalp's just been super itchy and getting rid of the buildup has been hard. I have been trying to change the way that I style my hair. I try not to put anything on my roots, but it's kind of hard because you don't want to get like super frizzy roots. But I try my best not to put too much hair products on my roots. I also have been trying, when I put my deep conditioners on and my conditioner, just not to add much to my roots at all. Just use on the mid to the ends, and I've been trying my best and I've been doing really good. My scalp still gets a lot of buildup though, and so I'm always looking for new ways to clarify my hair, to help my scalp out. So in my research I found Epsom salt scalp scrubs, and I was like, I know I have some in my closet. So I got this Epsom salt at the dollar store. It is natural magnesium sulfate and a little bit of fragrance. I could do without the fragrance, but whatever, this is the one that I had on hand. So in my research, I found out that if you use this Epsom salt scrub, it'll get rid of all of the dead skin cells that are on your scalp, because I don't feel like I have dandruff necessarily. I just feel like I have a lot of buildup, and I feel like the Epsom salt scrub is going to scrub off all of that gunk. And just like when I do scrubs on my face that I love to do, it gets rid of any gunk and junk that I may have on my skin. Same with my body. I love to do scrubs, and I don't think I've ever done a scrub on my scalp. Actually, one time I tried a quinoa scrub, and that one didn't go that well. That one was annoying because I don't know if you know what quinoa is, but all the little quinoa granules got stuck in my hair, and not all of them were coming out after I washed, detangled. Whew, not fun. My Epsom salt smells like lavender, so it'll be a nice relaxing scrub. All right, so I'm going to apply it and I'm going to show you how I apply it. This is my first time ever doing it, so let's see if it actually works. And I never thought of using this on my scalp until I read a little bit into it. And I actually looked for videos on YouTube and I could not find a video on this because I wanted to do more research and see how people apply it. So I've also heard that this helps give your hair more volume, and it also helps to reduce frizz in your hair. So as a curly girl, who doesn't want that? Like, as a curly girl, you want a clean scalp, so the scrub works. As a curly girl, you want more volume because your curls will be bouncy and voluminous and beautiful. And as a curly girl, you want less frizz. Like, if this works, this is going to be like my favorite thing ever. All right, so I'm going to show you the before. This is what day hair? Let me see. This is like 8-day hair. It's been up in a bun for quite a bit, so bear with me. When it's been in a bun, it's nice and straight here because it's been pulled back, and it is crazy full of gunk. Oh, look at that. This is the back. You'll see the frizz galore. You want to see here my scalp? I don't know if I can reach my scalp. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me open up my hair here. That is my scalp, full of junk. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy cup and this oil from African Pride. It has 5 essential oils. What does it have? Castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. So I'm only going to use a little bit of oil. I'm going to add it in here and add the Epsom salt in here, mix it together. I only want to use a little bit of oil because I don't want the oil to kind of overpower my scalp. I want the Epsom salt to actually take over and be able to scrub off any gunk. You're obviously going to start with dirty and dry hair, like I have, like so. And yeah, let's get to mixing. So the reason that I want to use oil is because it helps the Epsom salts kind of attach together. I don't know if that makes sense. And also because when you're kind of scrubbing off those dead skin cells on your scalp, it helps to have a little bit of oil to kind of replenish your scalp a little bit. And obviously we want to start on dirty hair because we want to be able to wash all of this off. So this is it right here. I think I might need to add a little bit more. You see that Epsom salt? The oil helps it to kind of not fall off of my finger and whatnot. I don't know if I want to use a little bit more oil. No, I think that's good. See how the oil doesn't overpower it? It's still the Epsom salt mostly, but the oil kind of helps it stick so that it'll be on my scalp, and then I have a little bit of that oil benefit for my scalp. Since I'm improvising, let me figure out how I'm going to add this to my hair. This seems like a really messy process, so I would recommend you do this in the shower. But since I'm a YouTuber, you know, we like to do things abnormally and in front of a camera. And I don't like to bring the camera to my shower too much, just because it's like my bathroom is like an annoying place to record. So here we are, YouTube live. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off my hair a little bit just so that I could get to my scalp. So if I'm just gonna apply it to the top of my head, it's gonna reach like a little bit of my scalp, but not all of it. So here we go. Let's try my best here. Okay, we're gonna start with this back section of my scalp here first. Let's take a tiny bit of this Epsom salt. Ooh, I don't want to make a mess. And I'm not adding this to my hair. I'm just adding it directly to my scalp and gently doing circular motions. I can already see how this is going to be quite messy. I'm just taking a little bit more and adding it to my scalp. Circular motions. Ooh, that feels good. Nice and gentle. You obviously don't want to strip off your whole scalp. Like, be gentle. More added here to the middle of my hair. Give this video a thumbs up for Melissa making a mess. It does smell good though. This looks like I have like insane dandruff. Like, look at that. Ooh. And I'm just doing circular motions, and just like when I'm doing a scalp massage. So I'm massaging my scalp and those granules are kind of under my fingertips and they scrub my scalp just a little bit. So like I said, this is my first time doing this and I try my best to research it, but if you know a different way to do this, let me know in the comments down below. I'm down to try it. This way is messy, so next time I'll do it in my shower. I did see that some people use it without oil. Some people use it with a lot more oil than I do. Some people just use it in their shampoo. Some people use it in their deep conditioner and they heat up the deep conditioner. There's so many different ways to use it, but in all my research I heard that Epsom salt has really good benefits for your hair, so I thought, why not try it? So now that I've applied most of the Epsom salt to my scalp, like I feel the chunks in there, I'm gonna gently massage my scalp to give that Epsom salt the ability to scrub off the buildup and the dead skin cells. This is a really good treatment if you have dandruff. I don't think that I have dandruff. I just think I have really bad buildup, but this also helps if you have dandruff. And just be really gentle. I'm not using my nails, just like when I scalp massage, except using a little bit more pressure and just a little bit more circular motions. Usually when I scalp massage, I just go like that. This time I'm using a little bit more pressure. Now I said that right after I scrubbed my scalp with it and did my little salt scrub, I should wash it off right away. So I think I'm going to go shampoo my hair right now and see how easy this comes off. I'll be right back. To you it'll seem instantly. To me, we'll see how long it takes. I'll let you guys know how easy this is to remove from your hair and how my scalp feels, and I'll show you guys my scalp. Comment down below right now if you want me to also try Epsom salt in my deep conditioner and see if that makes any difference, because that is definitely something that I kind of want to try after reading about it. You hear like all the Epsom salt falling out of my hair. I'm gonna have to vacuum really well here. But I'll be right back. I'm back. I've washed my hair. This is my hair right now. It's looking nice and moisturized and ready to style. Some quick thoughts on it. It was definitely very easy to rinse off of my hair. I didn't really think about it much. I just went in, wet my hair, used some conditioner to detangle my hair gently before I shampooed, and then I shampooed my hair. And I really didn't feel the Epsom salt at all. Kind of just like dissolved and went away from my scalp. I think that I got all of it out. I hope I did. And this is my scalp. You could probably have a closer look than I can. It feels clean. I hope it looks clean in this video, because it feels really clean. It feels good. If you can see it. My scalp feels good. So far so good. I think that the more I use it, the better I'll be able to see if there's really that big of a difference from me not using it to using it. So I might incorporate this into my wash day routine. It does say that I can, from the research that I did, it did say that I could use this once weekly. If you wash your hair more than once a week, don't use it in every wash. Use it once weekly. You never want to over exfoliate skin. Same with your skincare. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin on your face. You don't want to do it on your scalp either. But my scalp feels good, so kind of like it. Like it felt good going in there, and I think I got all of it right. Like I don't see any pieces of that Epsom salt anywhere. My scalp feels clean. It feels good. I'm gonna go style my hair. I'll be right back. I'm back. My hair is styled. It is almost completely dry. It's still a little damp. It's not like fully dry, but I had to come back here and finish this video because my natural light that I love to make videos in is going away. These winter days are getting so short. All right, so my hair feels really good. Like, I mean, it's not dry, so you can't see the full effect of it, but my scalp feels super clean, super good. Like there's not an itch at all, which feels amazing because my scalp is always itchy. It feels super fresh right now. This feels kind of like when I washed my hair with Dawn dish soap. Check it out. I'll put the card right here. I'll put that in the description down below as well, so you guys can check out that video if you haven't watched it yet. I did wash my hair with Dawn dish soap, and my scalp felt amazing and like fresh and clean and super squeaky clean. My scalp feels, look at that gray hair just dangling there. That's my own fault, because whenever I saw gray hair, I would kind of just like pluck it out, and now they're growing back, so when they're super short they kind of stick straight out. Anyways, back to our regular programming. Yeah, so my scalp feels super fresh and clean, and it just feels good, and I don't feel any itch at all. So who knows, this might just be the addition that I needed to my weekly hair care, because definitely using Dawn dish soap, like I said in my video if you watched it, is not something that you should really be doing all the time. That's only like emergency or something. But yeah, this is really good for your hair. Actually, give me 1 second. All right, so I was just looking up some of the benefits because I'm really bad at remembering them, even though I already read through this. So it says that Epsom salt may be a good addition to your hair care routine. It may add volume to oily hair, definition to dry hair types. The magnesium also nourishes and strengthens your hair and scalp. So it's really good for your hair. It's supposed to give you volume, definition. So I might just incorporate this into my weekly hair care routine because I feel really good right now about it. And leave a comment down below if you want to see me use it in my deep conditioner and how I use it in the deep conditioner. I've never tried that before, but I heard that that really does wonders for your hair. So I really want to try it. Let me know if you want me to try it as well. I will show you guys. You know, I love to try things in my hair. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Have you ever tried Epsom salt in your hair? Let me know your stories in the comments down below. What did you think of my hair? My scalp feels super good. I'm trying to give you guys a close-up of my scalp. It feels really good. It looks good. I really like this. And if you have dandruff, if you have dry, flaky scalp, this might just be something that you need. Even if you're not really having scalp problems, but if you need a little bit more definition or you have a really oily scalp, I heard that this is really good for that. So go ahead, give it a try. I think that it's approved by me. I'm gonna continue to use it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are watching this video and you have not yet liked it, please give it a thumbs up right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back in the next video.